This homemade weed spray gets rid of weeds right down to the roots. Stop wasting your time pulling weeds by hand or spending hours trying to dig them out. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on expensive chemical weed products, make this simple homemade spray with ingredients you probably already have. Grab a large bowl and add 4 tablespoons of salt. Salt dries out weeds by pulling moisture from them, causing them to weaken quickly. That's why it works especially well between pavers, along curbs, and on driveways. Next, add a generous squeeze of thick dish soap. It helps the mixture stick to the leaves and stems instead of running off. It also breaks down the weed's natural protective coating, making the spray even more effective. Now add 1 1/4 cups of white vinegar, then pour in 1 1/4 cups of water. Stir everything well until fully combined. Transfer the mixture to a garden sprayer for even coverage. If you don't have one, pour it into an empty plastic bottle. Carefully melt a few small holes in the cap using a heated soldering iron, then screw the cap back on tightly. Choose a dry, sunny day and spray the weeds, focusing on the leaves and stems. Avoid getting the mixture on grass, flowers, or ornamental plants, as it can damage them too. Within a few days, the weeds will begin to weaken, lose their green color, and gradually die off, leaving your driveway, patio, or walkway looking much cleaner with far less effort than pulling weeds by hand. For stubborn or larger weeds, simply repeat the treatment after a few days until they are completely gone. With this quick, homemade solution, you can keep your outdoor spaces looking neat and weed-free without spending a fortune. This homemade mixture gets rid of weeds faster than you think. You only need a few simple ingredients to get rid of weeds without constantly pulling them out by hand. It works especially well in places that are hard to reach or where regular weeding takes too much time. The first ingredient is salt, which helps dry out weeds and limit their further growth. Add about 5 tablespoons of salt to a large bowl. This will help unwanted plants gradually weaken and dry out. Next, pour in about 1 cup of red dish soap because it sticks well to weed leaves and makes the mixture work even more effectively. The next ingredient is vinegar, which helps weaken unwanted plants thanks to its acidity. Measure out about 1 cup of vinegar and add it to the other ingredients. Then pour in about 2 cups of water. Mix everything very thoroughly so all the ingredients combine well. Prepare an empty bottle and carefully pour the finished liquid into it. Then take the cap and use a heated tool to make several small holes in it so you can easily pour the liquid over the weeds. Screw the cap back on and your homemade solution is ready to use. Pour it over spots in the garden, especially between pavers, along paths, and wherever weeds appear most often. After some time, you will notice the weeds starting to dry out, and your garden will look much cleaner and neater. Apply it only to specific spots so you don't damage other plants. Just a drop, and weeds will instantly dry out, killing the entire plant down to the roots. It's the fastest and most effective weed killer I know. When weeds appear on the driveway or garage, you'll want to get rid of them quickly. This spray is perfect for that. Simply spray it on the weeds and you're done. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and eliminates the need to manually pull weeds. The spray will eradicate the entire plant, roots and all. To make the spray, mix about 500 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of salt until dissolved. Then add 200 milliliters of vinegar and mix again. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Shake well before use. For best results, apply on a sunny day to maximize the drying effect on the weeds. You'll see them dry out quickly. Once they're dry, removing them is a breeze. This simple yet highly effective vinegar and salt spray will safely handle your weed problem. Weeds growing on your driveway or sidewalk? Here's a quick and natural spray recipe. The plants will disappear without the need for scraping or pulling out roots. No more hours spent on your knees yanking them out. You only need 3 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a small spray bottle, Pour in about 10 fluid ounces of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It doesn't kill the weeds, but plays an important role. It reduces the surface tension of the water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in the weed cells. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour in about 2 fluid ounces. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is harsh on plants and helps kill them quickly. Mix it all up and you're ready. Spray the weeds growing between your pavers. It's best to do this on a hot or sunny day, as the sun speeds up absorption into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. The weeds will slowly dry out and die. No more pulling by hand, just spray and let the mix do the work. Just a tablespoon of this, and the weeds will dry up like they've been treated with the strongest herbicide. It destroys the entire plant, even down to the roots. When you spot them on the pavement in front of your house, you'll definitely want to get rid of them as quickly as possible. This method contains no harmful ingredients and is very affordable. In a large container, pour 10 ounces of water. The next ingredient is vinegar, which blocks the growth of the weeds. Add 10 ounces of vinegar to the container. Now it's time for the red powder. It irritates the leaves and burns the plants from the inside. Add 1 teaspoon of hot red pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of table salt. The salt enters the plant cells and draws out the water, causing them to wilt. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This will help the mixture stick to the leaves more effectively. Mix everything thoroughly and vigorously. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth to remove small particles and get a clear liquid. Spray the weeds directly on the leaves and at the base. Within just a few hours, the plants will start wilting. They'll disappear without a trace. You won't need any store-bought chemicals anymore. This is an affordable method that really works. This gets rid of weeds for good, especially the ones growing between paving stones and in sidewalk cracks. Take a spray bottle and unscrew the cap. Pour in 1 liter of regular vinegar. Screw the top back on and pump the sprayer. Spray directly onto the weeds, covering them thoroughly. Leave it for at least an hour, preferably in full sun. The weeds will be gone without a trace. They'll dry up and won't come back. Spray this solution on your weeds, and they will disappear in no time. Weeds grow quickly, are hard to remove, and spoil the appearance of the garden. Fortunately, I have a method that will help you get rid of them in a flash. Prepare a larger container to easily mix all the ingredients. Start by pouring 100 milliliters of water. This will be our base. Then add vinegar for weeds, which, due to its acidic pH, effectively weakens the roots of the weeds. Now, it's time for our secret white powder, which helps quickly and effectively get rid of unwanted plants. Add 2 generous teaspoons. To make everything stick better to the plants, add 2 pumps of soap. Soap acts as a wetting agent, making the spray more effective. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until a uniform mixture forms. Now pour it into a spray bottle, screw the lid on, and you're ready to go. Spray the weeds, and within seconds, you'll see them disappear. The spray works quickly, helping you regain control over your garden. This is a natural way to get rid of weeds, as effective as chemical solutions.